Hey y'all, welcome to Cajun RNEWBBQ. I'm Bones. Glad you could join me today. On today's episode, we're doing up a classic, a copycat version of Cracker Barrel's crispy, crunchy catfish. And we're using Saints and Sinners Cajun blend, their Bayou Boogie. And if you use my code Cajun15, it'll save you 15% off your order. Their information will be down below in my description. So let's go ahead and get started. Now, you need 3 bowls for your assembly line. First bowl, you need some seasoning. Put a couple tablespoons of your Saints and Sinners Bayou. A couple tablespoons of your Creole seasoning. You have some buttermilk, about half the container. And then in the next one, you have at least a cup of flour or more depending on how much you're doing. I'm doing about 3.5 pounds worth of catfish nuggets. Then you add in some cornmeal. About a quarter of the container, maybe more if you want to have it more crunchier. Just all depends on you. Mix that around. I want to add just a little bit more. I want it nice and crunchy. There we go. Now we start the assembly line. Coat your catfish nuggets or your catfish fillets. They use fillets, but I like the nuggets. Let it drip off. Shake off the excess. Put it on your pan. They look and smell amazing. Took no time at all. Let's go ahead and do a quick taste test. Oh yeah. Nice crunch. Tastes great. Nice flakiness to the fish. Just awesome. Let's go ahead and kick it up a notch with this Sebastian Sauce's Smoky Bandit. Nice smoky flavor, nice heat. Oh yeah, nice addition. If you like what I'm doing, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.